Okay, today we're going to give an update on this 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ, formerly known as a Hippie Jeep. So take a look. All right, what we got here is a 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ body style, and I wanted to give you a quick update on where we stand with it. So we're going to start with the exterior. So the exterior, all the stickers were removed and in the process of buffing the paint. And as you can see, we got some new fender flares on here, so it's looking kind of nice on the side. As we move toward the front, all the stickers have been removed. It hasn't been buffed or shined yet, but that is coming. Going to the interior pretty much has completely been removed. The dashboard and everything has been scrubbed down, and a lot of the pieces have been removed. So if you come over here, you can see that these dash pieces, a little water on that, have been repainted with special dashboard paint, and the seats have been removed. They're going to need to get a good clean. Interior panels have all been removed, and they are all up there, been scrubbed down. I'm waiting for some more paint to come in so I can get those touched up. The bad wiring has been completely removed. Here is the center console that is in the process of restoration, looking nice. There's a shift boot area, more pieces and parts getting painted here. The OBD2 port has been repaired. There's an all new speaker system going in here. This steering wheel is going to get rewrapped, and top bars, carpet. All of the parts are in, all in this giant pile right here. This has some pretty neat tops from B-Stop. They're expensive, but they slide back and forth with like kind of like a plexiglass. They are not those stupid roll-up ones, so those are going to be much better. Tailgate area, bumper was removed, new bumper going there. All this will be shined up and cleaned up. So when this is done, this is going to be a nice specimen of a TJ. This has the 5-speed manual gear shift and the 4-liter straight 6. So this is a highly desirable Jeep. This TJ only has about 100,000 miles on it, so it is not at all wore out. It's got a nice cold AC. There is a couple of mechanical things. I'll wrap up on it when I finish all this cosmetic work. But it will get a new set of tires. It will get a new windshield, and you know, it will pretty much look almost new from about 10 feet. And the interior is going to be refreshed and be really. So I haven't done a lot of specific videos on this Jeep because a lot of it's just, you know, work like taking dash pieces apart and gutting it. But when I start to put the tops on and the all the interior pieces back together, that is when I'll do some specific videos on that. So just wanted to give you an update. There'll be a playlist that I'll make just on this Jeep with all the little things that I'm going to do. So thanks for watching the update. Y'all have a great day.